Let's talk about the latest launched ITEL smartphone A70 Pro with next-generation futuristic design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD plus water drop notch dynamic bar display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 90% screen to body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, 500 nits peak brightness, approximately 267 ppi pixel density, 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with AI dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel Super HDR main camera, along with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. 4. The software. The handset turns on Android 13 Go Edition operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ITEL OS 13 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc Tiger T603 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.84 by 75.51 by 8.6 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. The color options: black, gold, light green, blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ITEL A70 Pro has been priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 23,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $86, and expected 7,299 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this ITEL A70 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.